The Giulia Quadrifoglio and Tonale PHEV have safety concerns with two separate recalls. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where I have to let you guys be in the know. Giulia Quadrifoglio owners and Tonale owners are subjected of a new recall by the Stellantis group here in the United States. Now, this is regarding the former, according to this statement from FCA US LLC, which represents the Stellantis group here in North America, where some 2024 models were produced with potentially incorrect headlight wiring. Now, Stellantis began addressing the issue in early September this year, 2025, following a report of a potential manufacturing issue affecting some Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio units. Now, that was during November 2025, where the organization met with the engineer and manufacturing departments to review the issue and understand the potential failure modes. Now, confirmation followed on November 25th, 2025, and FCA US LLC further confirmed that the affected vehicles may not comply with the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 108 for all aspects of exterior lighting. Now, there is the wiring harness company who is the supplier, but Stellantis is responsible for the issue, which is why I won't say the name of the wiring harness supplier, but you can look them up. Now, it is estimated that approximately 313 units of the 2024 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglios that were produced with the potential of the misplaced wiring, with the production ranges between February 2nd, 2024 and December 3rd, 2024 are affected, where all versions of the Giulia come from the Casino plant. Now, more relevant for safety reasons is the recall involving the Alfa Romeo Tonale PHEV and its twin, of course, here in the United States, the Dodge Hornet. Now, this one's a little bit more serious because in this issue, it affects the brake pedal, which in certain conditions could fail under load, reducing braking ability and increasing the risk of accidents. Following reports of an incident that has already occurred without consequences for those involved, Stellantis has implemented a corrective measure consisting of mechanically reinforcing the pedal. Now, the operation will affect a total of nearly 6,000 vehicles, ensuring greater safety and reliability for drivers. Now, this recall underscores the group's focus on prevention and user protection, promptly addressing critical driving components. But as with all recalls, you should be notified by your dealership if your specific car was affected. They will send you a letter in the mail saying that they know that there's a problem, and when there is a fix, the dealership will reach out to you and you will have those parts replaced or corrected free of charge. But with the Giulia Quadrifoglio, wiring and electric issues could always lead to greater things like fires. And, well, with the brake pedal and the Tonale, that's going to be a little bit more serious, not being able to use the brake pedal correctly. So these things take time to fix, but brands will reach out to you, dealerships will reach out to you with the fix to make sure you're as safe as possible as it is required by law. And again, keep in mind, I only like to cover these videos to keep everyone in the know. Be on the lookout. Get your safety recalls done. Do not ignore them before something tragic possibly happens. So with that said, being recalls happen all the time. Wanted to keep you guys in the know. Have you guys had any of these issues with either your Giulia Quadrifoglio or Tonale? Drop those comments down below. They might help someone out. Now, with that said, if you guys did enjoy the video today, well, of course, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, but also make sure you guys check the links down in the description below if you guys want to help further support the channel. I always appreciate that love. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch and subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. We will see you guys in the next one. Peace.